Welcome back, guys. This time around, I want to optimize our WhatsApp business, and this same thing I'll be doing on this PC. You can do it on your phone in case you don't have a PC. So I'll be doing the optimization here on PC. You can do it on your phone as well. Just locate whatever I'm doing. Just locate it on your phone. So right now, I'll start from here. So click on this and try to set it. Before I continue, I want to change the theme to dark. So I'll easily change that here. Okay, so I've changed the theme to dark, and yeah, we can continue right now. So right now, I want to optimize my profile, and this my profile right here is looking so bland, so I want to optimize it right now. So there are a few things we are going to do. I'm going to add my logo. Of course, I'm going to add my logo right here. I'm going to upload that. I have that already. This is the logo of the Billard Tech Academy, and this logo right here is not fitting. All I have to do is to minus, 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 minus. So I have it right here, so it's going to fit in right now. So I did minus this to the very least, and I'll click on that. So right now we have Billard Tech Academy, and we need a cover photo as well. You upload a cover photo. I will use the same, or let me use something like this as my cover photo. I just downloaded this online, and you can create one, but let's just use this for now. So I'll use this as my cover photo. As you can see, 16:9. That's what you should use, and yeah, I'll just use this as my cover photo for now. Like I said, it's going to be used for now as my cover photo. So here I have Billard Tech Academy. This is my cover photo. Or what I can do is I can actually create a new one. So what I'm going to do is, let me try to use this logo as well as my cover photo, and I'll have something like this. Or I get to just, the BTA will just be the cover photo, something like this. Then I try to use that. Let's see what it looks like. So I've changed that to BTA. That's my cover photo, and here is the Billard Tech Academy. You can always change your name here. And the description of this Billard Tech Academy, come to ChatGPT. There's no way we're not going to use ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, you'll learn how to open a ChatGPT account. It's very easy, so you can easily create one. So all I have to do is to prompt like this. I'll say Billard Tech Academy. I'll say write a description for a tech academy specializing in teaching tech courses like graphic design, web design, online marketing, cybersecurity, and the likes. So let's look for the description. So we're going to use this description right here. Let's see what it prompts out. So we offer comprehensive range of courses. I'm just going to copy this small part, then I'll come back here so we can get done with this. So I'll put this into the business description. So you get a business description for your business or whatever business you are offering or services. So I'll just use this for now. Then I'm going to come right here. That's my business description and my business address. I don't have a business address, so I'll rather leave that opened. And business hours, this would always be open. You can select your days, the days you open your business. Maybe it's Monday to Friday if you have a physical location, or if you are selling a product, it has to be always open, of course, because it's online is always open. So I'll just use the always open option. I would click on this, so it has to be 24/7, all day round, all year round, all months round, and you can make it by appointment. So I'm going to save that. As always opened. And yeah, the email address, you have to include an email address. So for now, I'm going to include one billardchance@gmail.com for now. So you can include your email. I'm going to do that. Then a website. I don't have a website for this brand yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Udemy page website. Since it's the same service, I'm going to come to my Google to search for my name so I can access my Udemy page. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to try to copy this as my website. I'm going to come back to WhatsApp business, and I'm going to paste that. So right now I'm going to click on this, and yeah, right now I'll be able to optimize my profile for now. Then leave this product for now. We're going to talk about the catalog later, and about phone. So ADA, you can change this to a tech. I'll just be like Tech Academy. So I have this. I'm going to check that, and yeah, I have my profile optimized. So let's go back to our profile and see what it looks like. So now this is my profile right now with the days. So that's the optimization. I hope to see in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about this course. You can do all this on your phone, like I said. You can do it on your phone. Just do the same thing I did right here. You can do it on your phone. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.